Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting the official Xbox Accessories app on your PC. That's the only supported path. Plug your Elite controller directly into the PC with USB-C, or use the Xbox wireless adapter for Windows. Once connected, open the Accessories app immediately and allow any firmware updates to complete. Failing to update can hide customization options. Once firmware is done, make sure your controller shows as connected and proceed to Profiles inside the app. That's where color options appear. Now inside the app, go to Profiles and pick the slot you want to edit. You can modify an existing profile or create a new one. Select Edit to reveal the profile color or indicator LED choices. Choose the color swatch or predefined color for that profile, then save the profile back to the controller. The app writes the profile to the controller's memory, so the chosen color will show when that profile is active. If you switch profiles, the light updates accordingly. With the color selected, save and write the profile to the controller, then test it by toggling profiles or using the profile button. You should see the indicator update instantly. If the color does not apply, unplug and reconnect the controller, reopen Accessories, and rerun firmware update. Many issues clear after a reboot and fresh firmware. If problems persist, reinstall the Xbox Accessories app and try again. That resolves corrupted settings and ensures the only support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.